Back into the game.js, now I want to handle it, get element by ID. I want to get my input. I'm going to make a new variable, var, and I'm going to call it input is equal to what we got from my input, but we're really just after the value. We're after the value. And then I'm going to console log that just to say this is the value that we got, the input. So let's see what that looks like when we run that. Refresh. I'm going to write hi there, and then return. We are in handle my input, hi there. It's reading what I wrote. I want it to look at open the north door, open the south door. Which one do you do? Back into my code. We're in the game.js. I want to take my input. I want to, first of all, turn it into a lowercase, just so that input is equal to lowercase, input dot to lowercase. I'll console log it here again. Save that, type something with capitals. Hi, and then I'm going to press return. And see, notice it took the capitals and made them lowercase. If the input is equal to open the north door, then we would want to go and do something with that open the north door. I'm just going to console log. You said open the north door. Let's save that and try that. So if I refresh that and I wrote open the north door, you said open the north door. Great, it worked. Double equals. I put a single equals, which assigns a value. It forces the input to become, but the double equal says, is it equal to? It will only do this if that is in fact true. And I wrote open the north door now. Return. It says input is open the north door now. It's not saying that I said open the north door. If I remove the now, it works. But either of them should have worked, right? Or if I was polite and I wrote please open the north door and I press return, but now it's saying, well, that was your input, but it doesn't say that you've opened the north door. It's a little bit too precise. Maybe people will write the sentence that you want, but really what you want to do is make it a little bit more open-ended. I'm going to go back. If input includes dot includes open, I'm just going to keep it simple for now. Open and includes the word north and door. Maybe door is important too. This little thing with the double ampersands, that's and. North and door. You said open the north door. Save that and run that. Please open the north door right now. I press return. It says, all right, so it's lowercase everything, and it said, you said open the north door. Great. It's looking for the word open, north, and door, and if they're in the sentence in any order, it will open the north door. When we open the north door, we want it to go to a different page. That's, shows you what's in the hallway or what's in the next room. If I want to make a new page. To do that, I'm just going to go back to my HTML, copy it all, make a new document, paste it all, file, save as, and I'm going to name it whatever room you're going to go into. So I'm going to call this room 2. Room 2. For now. Later on, I might name them differently. You are in another room, an art studio. There is a large window, whatever, just blah, blah, blah. I might change this to my input 2 or give it a different name, just because I don't want it to go back to the same spot. And I might even tell it not to point at that JavaScript. I might tell it to point at a different JavaScript. This is room2.js, in which case I can leave the handle my input because it's going to look for a handle my input in room 2. Save that. Back in my game. Now if I want the if to do more than one thing, I need to put everything else into a block. I'm holding down the command and I'm using the left brace bracket just beside the P, shift beside the P. Get everything to tab back, then you can press tab, or you can do the right brace bracket like that to indent. We indent to say that all of this belongs to the if. Back to my game.html. I want it to go to another room. What's my other room called? It's called room 2. Location.replace. Then I'm going to tell it to replace our HTML with room2.html, in quotes. Room2.html with a semicolon after it. All statements should end in a semicolon. Notice there's no semicolon directly after the if, because the if is not over until we get to the end of this block. If I just had the if just this line, I could put a semicolon after that line, because the if is now over. In English, we put a period. In computer programming, we put a semicolon, because periods are used for things belonging to other things in computer science. Let's see if that works. Does it bring us to room2.html? Save that, back to here, and open that north door already. Turn. And there it is. Look, we're in the new room. You are in another room. It appears to be an art studio with white walls and floors. There's a large window in the north wall. That's how we can get it to navigate from one place to another. You need to build up your dungeon or castle or whatever it is that you're having your people wander through. The easiest way, as I was mentioning in class today, is make a drawing first. Draw all the places you're trying to bring people. and then make your story. It's going to be a little bit easier than trying to make a story and keep all your rooms straight in your head. Draw the rooms first, make your story, then you do your programming. Good luck with that, and have a good day.